Hello, and welcome to this 2-minute drill on Windows Essential Business Server 2008. My name is David Fabricius, a technical product manager on the Windows Server marketing team, and today I'd just like to give you a brief overview of what is EBS 2008. So to start with, you can think of EBS 2008 as kind of the server product analog to the Office suite for information workers. This is a product that has been designed for mid-market businesses, really serving a need that hasn't been squarely addressed by Microsoft previously. And it is a number of server components pulled together into a single solution product. This is the right suite of server products for the mid-sized businesses. So really designed with that particular segment of the market in mind. It has a number of best practices integrated into the setup and configuration process so that the key infrastructure workloads that a mid-sized business needs to run their company are deployed in the appropriate manner, using the smallest number of servers possible and putting the appropriate workloads together in the appropriate places so that you have the best deployment possible. In addition to that, there is unique value-add software that is part of the EBS 2008 solution that you get above and beyond simply the component technologies. So really we're looking at making the best, most consolidated environment possible, and the bonus is a very, very simplified licensing model that's priced at a discount when compared to the standalone products. So instead of purchasing and licensing a whole plethora of infrastructure products, you now have one solution that you can buy, one client access license for each user or device. So a very simplified solution that's specifically targeted at that mid-sized business. So taking a closer look of really how this is deployed and how it's designed to work. So again, this is the optimal deployment of these key workloads that can be done across physical or virtual servers. The standard solution has 3 servers. So again, these are not going to be things that you shuffle around or figure out how to implement. The implementation is part of the solution. So the way the servers get deployed is really part of that integrated setup with all these best practices that are built in, 25 security settings pre-configured into the setup and configuration process so that you know you have a solution that works, that's designed well right out of the gate, that meets the mid-sized business needs and requirements. So the 3 servers are organized into some key workloads, including the management server, which is the heart of that is really the Microsoft System Center Essentials package, which allows you to do proactive monitoring and maintenance of the servers and workstations in the environment. There's also a messaging server. So this of course has Exchange Server 2007. So the building block of your messaging workload, along with the Microsoft Forefront security for Exchange Server piece, giving you enhanced anti-malware and anti-spam capabilities. The third workload is on the security server. So this can be the edge of your network connected directly to the internet, protected by Forefront Threat Management Gateway, which is the next generation of ISA server. It can also be used in conjunction with a hardware firewall platform if that has been deployed into the environment and the customer wants to keep that. Both scenarios will work just fine. So those 3 servers all running on the 64-bit version of Windows Server 2008, providing the foundation of this infrastructure solution. So that is the standard edition of Essential Business Server 2008, and that is what it is. Now the premium edition is an option which adds a 4th copy of Windows Server 2008. These are all standard edition of Windows Server, and they're all 64-bit, except in the case of this 4th server, which you can choose to run 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your needs in terms of the line of business applications that you want to run or whatever purpose that you want to put that server to. Also included in the premium edition is a copy of SQL Server 2008 Standard. So again, supporting the line of business applications that you have. This whole solution, again, totally designed and priced for the mid-sized businesses. It supports a maximum of up to 300 CALs, so 300 users and or devices. It is one product. It is sold at one price. You only need 1 CAL per device or user. So a greatly simplified infrastructure solution for that mid-sized business. So wrapping up, I just wanted to highlight a couple of key resources. We have our product website where you can download the trial product, read case studies about successful partners and customers. The EBS team blog, a lot of great information, a very active blog We have the Tech Center on TechNet with all kinds of white papers and other technical information. And of course, we have our new community sites, Facebook. You can follow us on Twitter and this YouTube channel. So thank you very much for joining us, and good luck with your EBS sales and deployments.